Most people think they need cameras for home security, but this repo uses your Wi-Fi signals to see through walls. Hi, I'm Jason, and I'll be your host today. We've got a packed house with 8 incredible repositories that are absolutely blowing up on GitHub right now. The energy in the community is insane lately because we're seeing tools that actually solve the complexity of the AI agent explosion. All right, let's jump right in. First up is Pascal Editor by the pascalorg team. It's a professional-grade 3D architectural editor that runs entirely in your browser using React 3 Fiber and WebGPU. The performance here is actually impressive. Because it's built with WebGPU, it handles complex building geometry with a smoothness that usually requires a desktop app. It's pulling in over 400 stars a day and sitting at 18,000 total. Why? Because they've modularized the core and viewer into NPM packages for easy integration. The architecture uses a turborepo monorepo structure, making it a great reference for anyone building high-performance React apps. It's perfect for internal real estate or design tools. Next is Book to Skill from Virgilio June 94. This Python tool turns any technical PDF or document folder into a custom skill for Claude Code or GitHub Copilot CLI. Basically, you give it a book and it digests it into a format your AI agent can recall perfectly while you're working. It's a game changer for learning new frameworks. It supports everything from EPUB to HTML and even RTF. The setup is lightning fast, and it's already bagged over 10,000 stars as developers rush to customize their agents. Imagine pointing this at a complex API documentation folder and never having to context switch to a browser again. That's the power here. Honestly, it's a must-have. Then we have GeoLibre by the opengeos team. This is a lightweight, cloud-native GIS platform that runs on web, desktop, and even inside Jupyter notebooks. It's built with TypeScript and leverages DuckDB for massive speed when analyzing geospatial data. The UI is clean, modern, and frankly, puts old GIS software to shame. The wild part is how many platforms they support. We're talking Microsoft Store, Arch Linux, and Google Colab. It's gaining 400 stars a day right now for good reason. If you're dealing with maps or spatial data, this is the open source alternative you've been waiting for. It's incredibly extensible through its own plugin system. Bojieli just dropped the AI Agent Book repo, and it's exploding with over 13,000 stars this week alone. It's a complete deep dive into agent design. It includes the full text, compiled PDFs in multiple languages, and over 90 Osho, that's experiments. It covers everything from RAG to reinforcement learning in 10 intense chapters. What makes it special? The hands-on code. 70 of the experiments are ready to run immediately. It's one of the most comprehensive agent resources I've ever seen. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you will find something useful here. It's the ultimate roadmap for anyone serious about the future of autonomous software. OmniRoute by diegosouzapw is a project that sounds too good to be true. It's a free AI gateway that connects to over 290 providers and 500 models. It uses something called RTK plus caveman compression to save up to 95% on tokens. It's currently trending with a massive 11,000 stars this week. The dashboard shows you exactly how many free tokens you have across different pools, roughly 1.5 billion per month. It works seamlessly with Cursor and VS Code. If you're tired of hitting rate limits while building, this is your solution. It's a massive community effort with over 500 contributors, keeping the pools updated. OpenShip by Oblien is a self-hosted deployment platform that's giving Vercel a run for its money. You just point it at a repo and it handles everything. It builds, ships, and handles TLS termination automatically. It's trending with nearly 5,000 stars this week, and developers are loving the simple CLI and dashboard. The best part? It's built for AI agents. It has native support for agentic workflows right in the deployment pipeline, which is a very forward-thinking move. If you've been looking for a way to own your infrastructure without the headache of manual configuration, OpenShip is an incredible place to start. It's very polished. Matt Pocock is back with a repo called Skills. These are the same agent skills he uses every day for real engineering, not just vibe coding. The repo is sitting at an incredible 192,000 stars. These skills are designed to be small, composable, and compatible with any AI model you prefer. They solve the problem of AI models losing control or creating hard-to-fix bugs by focusing on small, proven engineering patterns rather than giant monolithic prompts. It's basically a toolkit for making your AI agents actually useful in a production environment. If Matt Pocock trusts these, you probably should too. Finally, we have RuView. This is mind-blowing. It's a Rust project that turns commodity Wi-Fi signals into spatial intelligence and vital sign monitoring. It can detect presence and even measure heart rates through walls without any cameras. It's sitting at 87,000 stars and integrates perfectly with Home Assistant. Using an ESP32 and some clever physics, it creates a privacy-first way to monitor your home. No more worrying about hackers seeing your camera feeds. This is one of the most impressive uses of radio frequency I've ever seen on GitHub. It's a total paradigm shift for the whole smart home industry. The innovation in open source right now is simply unparalleled. Big shout out to all the contributors who make these projects possible. Which one of these will you try first? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm Jason with GitHub Trending Jason, and I'll see you tomorrow.